Hey guys, I'm going to review the Scorpion. So this is a little bit different in that it's a more of a dynamic type stretch, but it's awesome in that it helps improves flexibility in the shoulders, the chest, as well as even the hips. Has a rotational component as well, so if you're a golfer like me, it helps work on some of that rotational flexibility as well. So what we'll do is I'm going to begin lying face down, and you're going to see I'm going to swing one leg over to the opposite side to feel that stretch in my hip. So Scorpion stretches will look like this. Notice that I kept the palms down on both of my hands. If you have better flexibility than I do, then you may even be able to touch that leg that's going around your body to the opposite side of the floor. I obviously don't have the flexibility for that yet. But that right there is the Scorpion stretch.